This AI tool should be illegal. It's such an amazing tool. I want to show you something I came across this week and I've started using in my own content creation process. It is Poppy.ai. Let me show you how this works. This is basically a whiteboard where you can bring context into your chats. And so let's say, for example, right here, I want to create a newsletter article around authenticity, transparency, and vulnerability, and I want to bring in multiple sources to bring in the context. So let's say, for example, I come in here and I find this YouTube video or an interview with Seth Godin, and so I can take this video here and get to the video, and I'll copy the video URL. I'm going to come in into here and I'm going to paste this into my board. So it's transcribing the video right now. And so let's say I'm also want to give it context about my brand. So maybe I can give it the AI Ninja website. So I can come into here and I'm going to copy my URL for AI Ninja because I want to give it context. And down here I can click website. I'm going to put in the URL here. And now it has my context on my website. So I'll put that there. And let's say we want to put in a prompt. So I've got a prompt on how to write a newsletter. This is my AI Ninja prompt on writing an effective newsletter that I use in ChatGPT or Claude. And so I have that as a PDF file. And so let's go ahead and attach that document as well. And there's the newsletter outline prompt. And we'll say done. It's right there. And then say that's the last thing. I want to have I got some ideas in my head. I want to start a recording. I'm just going to record my voice. Hey, I want to create a newsletter article around authenticity, transparency, and vulnerability and how it's the new currency in the new creator economy. And I want to talk about how AI Ninja can help extract authenticity, transparency, and vulnerability in your entrepreneurial journey. And so I could talk even longer, but it's going to generate that audio file here. And while it's generating that, we're going to go ahead and create a new chat. So this section over here, I'm going to hit chat. It's going to open up a new window. And as you can see, if I can zoom in here a little bit, you can have either Claude, this can be ChatGPT or Claude. I'm going to keep it on Claude, which is my favorite in terms of content creation. I'm going to zoom back out a little bit here. And then what I want to do here is I'm going to now take all of these elements, the YouTube video with the interview with Seth Godin where he talks about authenticity and marketing. I'm going to connect my homepage, my website. I'm going to connect the prompt for generating the newsletter article. I could have put it in this chat, but I'm just going to copy it in there, and then I'm going to put in my thoughts of me talking about it. So now this chat has all of that context connected to that. I can summarize here what it's coming up with, and we'll see what it says. And it says here's a newsletter outline because it's recognized my prompt, right? And let me move my face over here. And so it's coming up with a subject line, compelling header copy, featured content, subtopics and articles, and it says, which one do you want me to start with? So it's already giving me a main article, and it's giving me subtopics and articles that's based on my prompt. But notice I didn't type any prompting, I just attached the context. This is what's so cool. And I said, yes, let's write the first article. And again, it's using the Claude, and I know this might be hard to see on a TikTok video, but there it is. It's right in my first article based, again, all on my context, and it's doing a pretty good job. Okay, this is good. So now what if I want to say, what does Seth Godin have to say about authenticity? And remember, because we attach this context in here, and then it's pulling the context from his conversation in there from that video, right? And so how cool is that? And then I could say, can we incorporate some of his quotes with attribution into our news article? And so now it's revising that last essay and including some of the quotes from that video in there. So again, I'll certainly reread this and everything else, but the key is I wanted to show you how powerful this tool is. I am in love with this. This is absolutely amazing. It's less than $20 a month for you to use this. You can get the link in the bio. It's Poppy.ai. Just click on the link. You can see it right there. Go to Poppy.ai. Guys, this is the best time in the history of the planet to be alive, to be an entrepreneur. This is the type of stuff that we're constantly unveiling and revealing in AI Ninja. If you want to learn how to become an online entrepreneur, join the AI Ninja tribe. Start learning how to make money online. Hope to see you on the inside.